Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we have broken this trend line to the downside, and we also had some could be profit taking that happened. You can see we've got an engulfing bar here. We've also got two fairly long tails, not quite off any structure. If you look to the left, the closest one would be this swing high here. That's kind of all that there is. I suppose there is two attempts at that in the past. But anyway, that's kind of the area where we bounced off. Got a grouping of the oscillators to the downside. Not something, I don't really want to be short down here, rather be short higher up. And this zone that we looked at last week is the one that we need to pay attention to today on the lower time frame. So let's just have a look at what we have. So you can see Friday was pretty much one-way traffic to the downside, and then is it profit taking or was it people buying? I doubt it was people buying going into the weekend. I think it was more than likely just profit taking of the people that had shorts in the market. So at the moment, engulfing bar, look at the oscillators, crossed over, pointing up. We've had a bit of a gap down, looking for structure, and we only want to be shorting higher up. I'm also a little bit concerned with the higher up shorts as well, purely because we do have what looks like a bit of a flag, and that flag would target this area up here, which is 39.65. 39.65 is kind of what that flag is. So you draw a line along the bottom and along the top there. That will give you your flag, and then you will see a break of the flag to the upside is going to target this area up here. But I'm interested in this zone, and it's basically this underside here at 39.18 and this gap. And I think we need to actually just change the gap. The gap is here at 38.95. So if you look at the hour, we pretty much have rallied a little bit, and you can see the oscillators are grouping to the upside. So once they group to the upside like that, we start looking for opportunity to continue with the trend, and that is to the downside. At the same time, you need to pay attention to your micro levels, and micro levels are going to come in off the 15-minute. So plan of action for me today is firstly have a look at 38.95, and if you just go to the left, you'll see in between these two levels, that's 38.19 and 38.95. In between there, you'll see there's another little micro level here, this one here, which would also offer some potential resistance in that 3900. So we're looking for a rejection up here for a continuation to the downside. That's the one side of the coin. The other side of the story is if we just move this level up here. So you need to look for some structure. This is the closest bit of structure from yesterday. And if we manage to hold this at 38.63, then you're expecting a move sort of to the upside. There's no real diversions or anything else to indicate. This worries me on the 1 hour. So you're looking for an opportunity to short as far as I'm concerned. And this is the area. We've got the trend line and we've got 3 levels here. So that's kind of the area we need to pay attention to. Just one more time, you're looking, if we do get up there to 39.18 or 39.19, then you're looking at 39.05, and then you're looking at 38.95, and that's the gap. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for price to get into that zone, and then you're looking for an opportunity to short it. I would do that on the 15-minute chart today. You should see the oscillators group to the upside here as well, and that's kind of the structure we're looking for. Targets to the downside, what you're looking, let's just get to the 3 hour for the targets. So you do have quite a few targets. Each one of these tails on the 3 hour are going to offer support. So just if you look at it on the 8 hour, you'll see It's just going to get so messy. So the ride to the downside is short-lived. That has already been tagged. One more. There's your next one there. And that would be your most next logical stop, which would be 3,800. So don't want to be short down here, looking to be short higher up. If you get through those levels to the upside, so if you start getting up above, um, just say 3,900, we start holding 3,900, then you have a bigger move coming, which would more than likely either get back into the trend line or bump your head higher up here at 39.65. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my play for today. Looking to short higher up, and keep that stop really, really tight because it could go against you as well. There's especially when you look at price action from Friday. Anyway, that's kind of me for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.